The camera world just got shaken up, because DJI's next big innovation has just leaked. That's right, the DJI Osmo Nano is real, and the official retail box has just surfaced online, giving us a first look at what could be DJI's most compact and AI-powered gimbal camera ever. From 4K HDR video and ActiveTrack 7.0 to a tiny new design that looks smaller than even the Osmo Pocket 3, this thing is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer for vloggers, travelers, and mobile creators. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know: the leaked specs, new AI features, design changes, battery life, pricing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why this device might completely redefine pocket filmmaking in 2025. Buckle up, because if these leaks are real, the DJI Osmo Nano could be the smallest, smartest, and most creator-friendly camera DJI has ever made. The tech and creator community is in absolute shock. The DJI Osmo Nano, a device that was barely on anyone's radar, has just had its official retail box leaked, and the details are blowing everyone's minds. What seemed like a quiet rumor a few weeks ago has now turned into one of the most talked about topics in the camera world. If the leaks are to be believed, DJI is preparing to completely redefine what a pocket-sized stabilizer and smart camera can be. And based on what we've seen from the retail box, the Osmo Nano might just be the most compact, AI-driven gimbal camera DJI has ever created, designed to bridge the gap between smartphones and professional filmmaking gear. So, what exactly is the DJI Osmo Nano? Well, from the images circulating online, it's clear that DJI is targeting both mobile content creators and vloggers who want top-tier stabilization without carrying bulky equipment. The leaked box reveals a sleek, minimalist design with the familiar Osmo branding and the tagline, "Capture life, effortlessly." On the side, we can spot key highlights: AI ActiveTrack 7.0, 4K HDR video, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, and Gesture Control 2.0. These clues alone confirm that the Osmo Nano isn't just a rebranded gimbal. It's a fully capable handheld camera system, likely featuring an integrated sensor similar to what we've seen in DJI's Osmo Pocket line, but redesigned to be lighter and more portable than ever. One of the biggest talking points from the leak is its form factor. The Osmo Nano appears to be even smaller than the Osmo Pocket 3, potentially making it DJI's most portable stabilized camera ever. The design looks incredibly ergonomic, with a telescopic handle that may double as a mini selfie stick or tripod. If true, this would make it perfect for vloggers, travelers, and casual creators who want to shoot cinematic footage anywhere, anytime. What's even more interesting is that the box mentions magnetic mount system, suggesting that DJI might be taking inspiration from its action series by allowing creators to quickly attach and detach the Nano from various accessories or mounts. Inside sources claim that the Osmo Nano could feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, the same sensor size used in the Osmo Pocket 3, which means image quality should be exceptional despite the smaller body. Pair that with DJI's ActiveTrack 7.0, face recognition, and subject reframing AI, and you've got a device that practically edits your shots as you record them. Early rumors also mention voice control, gesture shooting, and a built-in wireless mic system,